Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 7.2 from page number 232 of equilibrium, right? So let's read the statement. What is Kc for the following equilibrium when the equilibrium concentration of each substance, that means SO2 equal to 0.60 molar, O2 equal to 0.82 molar and SO3 equal to 1.90 molar, right? So in this question they have given you a reaction that is in equilibrium state, right? And they are saying that you have to find the equilibrium constant for this reaction. Now the reaction is 2SO2, that means sulfur dioxide plus oxygen give rise to the sulfur trioxide, right? So first of all we'll write the relation Kc equal to definitely concentration of product. So I am having SO3, that means sulfur trioxide at product side. So SO3 raised to the power the stoichiometric coefficient present with this sulfur trioxide divided by now SO2 concentration of reactants. So the first reactant is SO2 raised to the power the stoichiometric coefficient present with this sulfur dioxide into the concentration of second reactant, that is oxygen, right? So we'll put the values over here. So Kc equal to concentration of sulfur trioxide is 1.90 molar and we'll take the square of this value divided by concentration of sulfur dioxide. So the concentration of sulfur dioxide is 0.60 molar. We'll take the square of this value also into the concentration of oxygen, that is 0.82 molar, right? So when I'll take the square of 1.90, that will be 3.61 and m will have square with it, right? Divided by 0.60's square will be 0.36 and we'll have m square with this into 0.82 molar, right? I'll cancel this value with this 3.61. This m will be m inverse when I'll take this in numerator divided by when I'll multiply 0.36 with 0.82, the answer will be 0.295, right? So when you'll divide 3.61 with 0.295, the answer will be 12.237 molar inverse. Now this molar inverse means we are taking the units of molarity. So 1 molar equal to 1 mole liter inverse. Here I am having molar inverse, so definitely it will be 12.237 mole inverse because I am having mole in 1 molar, right? And liter inverse will be liter over here.